Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sierra and we are fully in Halloween hunting mode. This is so crazy because it is the end of May and even as a certified Halloween girl, I can admit that it's a little insane. So today we are doing a Target Halloween unboxing. A couple days ago, they dropped out of nowhere some of their hide and eat collection online only. So I was like, I have to place a little order, just a tiny one. So I just got two things because if you've ever bought from Target online, they will not let you buy anything unless it is $30 or more as a total. So we had to get two, so that's why. I went in with the intention of just getting one item, but here we are. Actually, also side note, it's not Target themed. I went to Maxx the other day and I found the Summerween towel. Let me show you, hang on. This is so cute. Actually, I did need a new beach towel because the one that I have, I've been using for years. It has seen better days. And when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is gonna go perfect with the swimsuit I just got this year, which is like this kind of like dark pink color. But anyways, thought this was super cute. This is at TJ Maxx. My store didn't have anything other than this, so I don't know when they'll have actual Halloween now. I've seen some rumblings online that some stores have gotten a few things, but mine just had the Summerween towel, but it's so cute. It's just perfect for summer with a little dash of spooky, which is me. Okay, I just wanted to show that to you guys because, like I said, there wasn't anything else in the store and I didn't want to dedicate a whole video to just a beach towel. So we're going to unbox and then we're just gonna kind of talk about the drop and what was posted online and yeah, so okay. One item I'm really excited about and the other, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about, but we're gonna just go through this together. So these literally showed up yesterday and today and I had planned on filming today, but I was like, you know what? Let me throw some makeup on, let me throw a hat on over this dirty hair. And let's get to unboxing. So I think that this one is the one that I knew from the beginning I wanted to get. So let's open this one first. I have a feeling that if anyone is picking things up from Target for Halloween, this is going to be a big one this year. It was the one that caught my eye first. Oh my gosh. Let's get him out of the plastic. It's Lewis. Okay, I don't have the animatronic, nor do I think I want to spend $180 on an animatronic. I do love to visit him in the Halloween section during spooky season, but this was perfect. I went into the season saying I wanted a blow mold. I did say vintage. We're still gonna hunt for that. Wait, there's a try me. Oh my god. Okay, the Try Me doesn't work. If I got a busted Lewis, this is gonna suck. He does take batteries, which I'm not a huge fan of. I think I would have preferred a plug, but also on the flip side, I guess that means you could put him anywhere. So this is what he looks like. We're gonna put batteries in him in just a second to make sure he does work. But he is so cute. He's got the sass. He's like, my name is Lewis. And I love this. It's just like a matte black and two different kinds of oranges, a little here and then obviously there. So I believe that his head lights up, the little jack-o'-lantern face. So let's put some batteries in and check it out. Okay, I haven't turned it on. I'm scared. Something is rattling in there. I don't know. But anyways, I am not a fan of anything that you have to unscrew to put batteries in. I understand why they do it. I just don't like it. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see first. That rattling is so concerning and the fact that he didn't light up. Okay. Okay. Is he lit up? Oh no. Oh no! I got a busted Lewis. Okay, well, that's not great. Let me turn off my ring light just to see. Okay, now we're in the dark. No, he doesn't work. Oh my god. I knew it was a little concerning. Something is not attached. Dang. Okay. Well, that's a bummer because now we're gonna have to send that back. So I don't even know. I can't even show you guys. So I will say, like, it's cute. I just want him to light up. So now I gotta contact customer service. Well, that's a bummer. I was like really excited to show you guys what he looks like, but this also can happen. So buyer beware. I haven't heard anybody else with problems with their blow molds, but I don't know. Oh, that makes me so sad. Okay, whatever. We're gonna move right along, and hopefully the next item, which is the one that I'm unsure of, is actually cool. I don't even know. Also, if you're new and you enjoy spooky lifestyle videos, you might enjoy my channel if you're not already subscribed. I would love for you to do so. Maybe like the video, come back for more, join my creepy little corner of the internet. I would love to have you. Normally things go right around here, but today, I don't know. Mercury's not in retrograde, right? I don't know. Before I contact customer service, I am gonna try and take this base off and see like what's going on inside of the blow mold, if I can fix it. Because if it's fixable, that's great. If not, I don't know, I guess we'll see. This feels like watching those videos of like Disney where the lights are on and you can see the ride and the magic is ruined a little bit. That's kind of what this feels like. I, honest to God, don't know what I'm looking at. Okay. This is what we have going on. Why does this look cut? Is that supposed to be? That's probably supposed to be not cut. I fear that wire is important. So, okay, this is not usable. Yeah, that sucks. I don't know, this almost looks like it was like burnt at some point in time. This is definitely supposed to attach there. Well, even without the light, Lewis is very cute. We just need him to light up. That's the whole point. This is a $20 18-inch blow mold that we need to light up. Where's quality control? Where is quality control? I don't know. Okay, I'm trying so hard not to let this like bum me out, but I'm kind of bummed. Okay. And you know what? Maybe the next thing is gonna be our favorite item. I don't know. Okay, just got off the phone with customer service. They were very kind. They are sending a replacement. It won't be here until June 3rd. So this video will be up before then. So if you would like to see, you can follow me on Instagram at the Sierra Ween, and I will have a little clip on my story. So, or maybe even a post, I don't know. But it was a nice, smooth process, so I am very appreciative to Eric who helped me. So let's open the second box. I guess I should have waited to call customer service, but I'm too impatient because I don't know, we're crossing our fingers that this other one works. Oh God, now I've got anxiety. Okay, so here we go. Take two. Usually I have pretty good luck. So, you know, I count my lucky stars that a lot of times I don't have to talk to anybody on customer service's end. But today we did, and that's okay. All right. So, oh my God, okay. Obviously we got a ghost. Let's debag it. Oh, okay. This one actually came with batteries, which is nice. The blow mold did not. That's already a crazy sign, but it's fine. Okay, it's just the battery plate. We're fine. Okay, so before I get the batteries in, I'm not even gonna hit the try me because now I have the worst anxiety that it's not gonna work. This is the Boohoo Ghost. Okay, it's long. It's very cute. Here's my thing I'm interested to see is if it actually just does the lights and not the sound, because well, you'll see in a second with the sound. I saw it on their website. I was like, okay.
Oh, didn't mean to scare you. Please pretend to be scared.
Wait, okay, wait, that's cute. It's the other saying that freaks me out where it's like the dog eats the candy. Let's see if it, hang on.
Got a lot of candy. A dog barked, and I dropped it on the ground. Then the dog ate it. Didn't get any candy I liked anyway.
He's the most Charlie Browniest ghost I've ever seen. But okay, I love the tears. I think the tears are very cute. That's what drew me in.
Ooh, hope you're scared. Sorry if you're not. Okay,
wait, actually I'm kind of obsessed. I actually think I'm kind of obsessed. This one was $35. I'm so glad this one works. So there is a little spot on the back. Let me show you. It's kind of heavy, wow. Obviously the body part is plastic underneath. Excuse me, ghost. But it does have two little spots that say on. So that leads me to believe that maybe one is motion, or it could just be one is sounds, or I don't know. I have it on the try me thing right now. So let's flip it over to this one. Yes. Oh my God, yes. It has it where it's just the lights. Cause as funny as the little Charlie Brown sayings are, I kind of wanted it to have an option where it was just lights. And so I think it might be motion censored. And then the other on, yeah.
Didn't mean to scare you. Please pretend to be scared.
It's really cute.
Candy.
Okay, let's just put it on the light so we can talk about it. So I will say I'm actually impressed with this one. I'm gonna take the try me thing off because now we know it works for sure. So here is the ghost. Oh, so this is the boohoo ghost. Obviously he's a little sad, he's a little melancholy, but he is so freaking cute. I absolutely love the tears, how it's not just like blue lines that all stay on, how it looks like the tears are falling. I believe that it is 42 inches long, so it is, let's do a motion sensor, please. Let's get some tears, thank you. So it is pretty long, which is kind of cool. So I feel like this is gonna be a really cute, fun one. A lot of the line is cutesy every single year. That's what we've come to know about Target. It's not very spooky, but I love, love, love this one. Okay, I'm actually really pleasantly surprised. So I'm glad that the first one that didn't work was the first one we opened because this just redeemed everything for me. Oh my God, he's so cute. Okay, so like I said, at least the second one was a success. He's very cute and I am so happy to have the sound off option. It seems to be not really motion censored, but like tap sensor. Like I tap on its little plastic body or I just hit the countertop and it turned on. So it's like motion activated, but you have to physically touch it. I don't think you can. Oh, never mind. I just clapped. So it's like sound and touch activated. So that's kind of nice. I feel like for Halloween night, it would be so cute to have that out on your front porch as all the little trick-or-treaters are coming to visit. It's not scary. It's very cutesy. I know they had another ghost similar to this that had a little heart. She was very cute, but I kind of liked the melancholy ghost. The sayings are a little odd, but I do like the ghost itself. I wish that his little hands had like gauze over it. It's just like little plastic hands. I kind of wish that some of this had been like at least kind of draped on there to whatever. I guess I can always like do that myself. It's not like a huge deal. So as far as the other pieces that they dropped, it does seem that they are going the route that they went last year, where it's a lot of nostalgic, very colorful wall decor pieces. They brought back the birds. The birds always come back. The birds are cute, but they're not my thing. We also have some more of the little stuffed animals that kind of hold hands. So you have Lewis and his name tag that says, "My name is Lewis." That's very cute. So we have like also, I think, a werewolf and, oh God, what's the thing with the werewolf? Anyways, I'll put some pictures up so you can see. The werewolf one is so cute. And then in addition to the Lois, in addition, I'm losing my mind, guys. In addition to the Lewis blow mold, there was a ghost version that has a melty kind of mouth, which I loved, and a witch. And she's very cute, has some like green fumes from her cauldron, I assume, coming up. She's purple, she's very cute. All of them are the same height. They're all 18 inches tall, all $20. But yeah, the wall art pieces are very cool. They kind of go along with last year's. So if you got any of them last year, they'll be very cohesive together. I got the cat last year. So cute. It's huge. It's like this big. It's like so freaking big. And this year they have a Frankenstein, a skull, and a witch. So they're very cute and fun. But yeah, I think that's kind of it. it was a little tiny mini drop. So I'm interested to see what else they're gonna come out with as the months go on. Target is notorious for being like the last to get things on the shelf, so I'm even shocked that they got online stuff. They usually wait till after back to school is, you know, happened and that stuff is cleared out to finally put Halloween in. At that point, that's the only store outside of Spirit Halloween that really has a ton of Halloween on the shelf, so I guess in a sense, it's kind of fun that there's still like a lot and it's not like picked over. I don't get a lot usually from Target. Like I said, it's very cutesy. It's perfect if you have children or if you kind of like the cuter, less spooky version of Halloween. So I have some pieces, but I like darker, kind of witchier, vampier kind of things, and they don't usually have a lot of that. So I don't know. I love the little blow mold though. Like I said, I'm not spending $180 to get a Lewis animatronic. I don't know where I would put it first, but also, I don't know. So I'll just visit Lewis in the store and that's fun and fine. And now I have another one. Well, I will, June 3rd, have another one to get my Lewis fix. So I kind of wish that the blow molds had some sounds. Wouldn't that be kind of fun? I don't know. Somebody needs to get me on the board of any store for the Halloween team. But yeah, I think that is it for me today, guys. This was kind of a quick one. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you for hanging out and clicking on the video. I will see you guys in the next one. We have so much more Halloween coming up and I'm very excited. Bye, guys.